Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Pantry Powerhouse Series, your go-to place to explore everyday kitchen essentials. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of scallions. From their crisp texture to their oniony punch, we're going to explore why this slender green is an absolute must-have in your kitchen. Let's get started. From soups and omelets to stir-fries and garnishes, scallions add a punch of flavor and a pop of green. But have you ever stopped to think about how powerful these humble green stalks really are? Let's travel back in time to see how long scallions have been winning hearts around the world. Scallions have been cultivated for over 2,000 years. Ancient Chinese and Egyptian texts praised their healing powers, and across Asia, they became a cherished base for flavor and tradition. And lucky for us, they're just as easy to grow today as they were back then. Scallions grow fast and fuss-free, from bulbs or even your leftover kitchen scraps. Just add water, soil, and sunshine, and watch the magic happen. Now let's clear up a little confusion, because not all scallions go by the same name. Green onions, spring onions, Welsh onions. What's the difference? It often comes down to bulb size and region. Green onions have slim, barely there bulbs and a mild, grassy flavor. Spring onions grow a bit longer and form small, round bulbs with a stronger bite. And Welsh onions? They look like green onions but never form bulbs at all, and they're actually a different species. But no matter the name, they all bring that crisp, mild bite to your plate. Beyond flavor, scallions are packing something extra in their leafy green sleeves. These little greens are full of vitamin K, vitamin C, and a lichen, a natural compound that can support healthy blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Tiny stalks, mighty benefits. And the best part? You get all that goodness for barely any calories. Low-calorie, high-impact, scallions are a clever way to sneak in nutrients without loading up your plate. They're light, bright, and bursting with wellness. It's no wonder dishes all over the world invite scallions to the party. From Chinese scallion pancakes to Korean pageant, Mexican tacos to American potato salad, scallions bring their zesty charm to kitchens across continents. And in some places, they're not just food. They're part of the celebration. In Catalonia, Spain, springtime means calçotats, a lively festival where giant scallion-like onions called calçots are grilled over open flames, dipped in romesco sauce, and eaten with laughter, mess, and a whole lot of bibs. Back in your own kitchen, let's talk about how to store and reuse scallions the smart way. To keep scallions fresh, wrap them in a damp paper towel and stand them upright in a jar. And don't throw away those roots. Pop them in water on your windowsill and watch new green shoots come to life. Whether they are in your fridge, your garden, or your heritage, scallions have a story that's greener than you think. Scallions may be modest, but their flavor, history, and health benefits run deep. From ancient remedies to modern meals, they've earned their quiet title as the MVP of the kitchen. If you love tasty tales, hit that subscribe button and let your meals stay sharp and green.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.